Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I'm your health guide, and today I'm going to talk to you about ERISPAN, also known as betamethasone. ERISPAN is a very helpful medicine for treating various illnesses. It's mainly used to reduce swelling and ease the symptoms of autoimmune diseases, allergies, and other problems. For example, it's often prescribed for rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, dermatitis, and other inflammatory diseases. Wondering how it works? Betamethasone works by calming down your body's immune system response, which helps reduce swelling and those annoying symptoms. Now let's talk about the dose. It's super important to follow your doctor's instructions. Usually you start with a higher dose that's slowly lowered over time. To keep feeling better, the dose is adjusted based on how you respond and how serious your illness is. Like any medicine, ERISPAN can have side effects. Some common ones include weight gain, mood changes, and high blood pressure. It's important to watch out for any bad reactions and talk to your doctor right away. Finally, some important warnings. You shouldn't use ERISPAN if you have active infections or if you're allergic to betamethasone. Always check with your doctor to use the medicine safely and effectively. To sum it up, ERISPAN is a strong and effective medicine when used correctly. Always follow your doctor's instructions and stay informed about its effects. Thanks for joining me on this guide about ERISPAN. Take good care of yourselves and see you next time.